In this session, we have to discuss what creating binary tree from the traversal. Okay, so that is your creating binary tree from the traversal. If traversal is given, then how to create binary tree? As you know that if binary tree is given, you have to perform the traversal and find out what is the traversal. Then that is your pre-order, in-order, or post-order. Means traversal is given, then you have to create the binary tree. That is reverse. Okay, so for creating the binary tree, we have required either in-order or pre-order traversal or in-order or post-order traversal. Two traversal is given. Okay, in the question, two traversal is given either in-order or pre-order or in-order or post-order. Then you have to construct the binary tree. See here, in-order is must be there. Either in-order pre-order or in-order post-order. Then you have to construct the binary tree. Suppose a question is given, in-order traversal is given and a pre-order traversal is given. Then ask construct for the binary tree. Then what is the logic first? So see, the logic is here. Consider the in-order, then look at the pre-order to find the next root. So first we consider the in-order. What is the in-order here? This is the in-order. That is your B, C, A, E, D, A. This is your in-order. So according to this traversal, one thing you have to remember, what? In the pre-order, root is the first node, in the post-order, root is the last node, and in the in-order, root is the middle. You don't know in the which middle. Okay, in the middle it's present, but in the pre-order it is first, and in the post-order it is at the last. Okay, so we have to first consider this in-order, then look at the pre-order to find the next root. Means we have to pick up one by one from left to right, pre-order left to right, and pick up one by one and construct the tree. And consider the in-order here. Then what is the first node? A. A is the root node. That means A will be go to the next level. Then we find what? A is the here, and what are the left side are there? These are some left children, and what are the right side are there? These are some right children. Right subtree, or you have to say these are some left subtree and these are right subtree. But we don't know which is the parent, which is the child here. Okay, so this is the first step. We have to pick up one node, and this node will be go to the next level, upper level, and find that. Okay, then consider this in order. This is the in order actually. Then for look at the pre-order to find the next root, means we have to consider one by one left to right to find out the next root. Next is B. So here, where is B? B here. So we have to pop up the B from the next level. Then what happened? A is here. Then we have to construct B is here. Then C is here, the right side. Then C at the right side. Okay. And in the right side of the A, that is E, D, A. You don't know what are the position. Okay. In this way you have to represent. Then next root what? C. So C here. Pop up the means C is here a node. No left, no right is there. So simply C is here, node here. Next D. Okay, so where is D? D is here. Then pop up the D from the next level. Then what the tree is there? A, B, C is at the right. Then here D, and next this is a one node, so no node to. This is a one node. That means this is a single node, left and right. Next E will be go to the next. That means E is a node. Then next F, here F is a node. So this is your binary tree. If in-order is given and pre-order is given, you have to construct this is a binary tree. Similarly, if in-order and post-order is given, how to calculate? Here you have to remember, first is consider the in-order, then for pre-order, first is the root node. So we have to consider one by one. Okay, first we consider A is go upper level, then whatever the left side are the left children, whatever the right side are the right children. Then consider one by one node. B is consider, B is go to the up, then C go to the right side. Similarly, after C will be node, then D will be considered. So D will be go to the upside, and E will be the left side, and F will be the right side. Then next C. Similarly, if in-order and post-order is given, previously in-order and pre-order, now in-order and post-order is given. So what is the logic? Logic is same. That is consider in-order. We have to consider first in-order, then look at the post-order to find the next root. But here in the pre-order, what happened? We have to look at from left to right. We have to go sequentially one by one. But here post-order, we have to go from right to left. Okay, here look at the post-order from right to left one by one and find out the next route. So consider the in-order first, then look at the post-order to find the next route. This is the logic. Then this is the in-order is given, post-order is given. Then how to construct C? Okay, this is the question. In-order and post-order logic is you have to consider the in-order. We have to consider P, A, D, C, E. This is your in-order. Okay, then look at the post-order. Look at the post-order to find out the next route, but post-order we have to follow from right to left. Again, we have to know that in the pre-order, first node is the root node. In the post-order, the last node is the root node. So here see, this is the, you have to first consider A, and A will be go to the next level. Then the B will be the at the left side, and this D, C, E are at the right side. Okay. Then what is the next consider? Look at this post order. Next is from right to left. C will be considered. C will be considered here. Okay. C will be go to the next level. So here A, B, next C is a node. Then D will be the left side and E will be the right side. Okay. Next E. E is already a single node, so this is a single node, no changes. Next D, D is also a single node, no changes. Then next B, B is also a single node, no go to the up node. So this is your 3. If your in order is given, post order is given, we have to follow from right to left, consider the in order and go to the one by one to find out the binary tree. Okay, next suppose do another question. A in order traversal is given and a pre order traversal is given. So what is the logic? What is the logic? Consider the in order traversal, then look at the pre order to find out the route. Okay, so yeah, first I am consider this in order. Okay, I am considering this in order traversal, then looking the pre order from left to right. Okay, looking the pre order from left to right to find out the route one by one. So as you know that the first node is the root node for pre-order and the last node is the root node from the in-order. So A is the root node. That means first is the A. So A will be go to the next level, and whatever the left position are there, these are some left subtree, and whatever the right are there, these are some right subtree. But we don't know what are the hierarchy of this tree, but we have to only know A is the A go to the upper layer, and these are some B, K, J, L, I, these are some left and these are some right. Left and right. Next what happened? What is the next route from the pre-order? Next is the B. We have to consider is the B. So here see, B is here. So B go to the upper. B go to the upper, and these are some right subtree. Okay. So next, how it drawn? A is there in the left side. B will be there, and from the B, right side is what? K, J, L, I. Okay. Then the right side of the A, it is same as previous. What is the next route? Next route is the I. From the pre-order, we have to select. See, here is the I go to the next level, and whatever the left side is there, these are some left subtree. So draw this. Here A is there. Next B is there. Okay, B right side, I is there, and I left side, these nodes are there, K, J, and L. Okay, and L right side, these nodes are as it is, as it remains as it is. Then what is the next node? Next node is J. Okay, where is the J? J here, go to the upper. Then if you draw this again, this is your A, then B, B right side I, then I left side it is J, and J left side K, and right side L, left side K and right side your L. Okay, what is the next route? Next this is K, so K is already a single. Okay, no changes. Similarly next L, L also single, no changes. same tree are there. Okay, then next what is the root? Next root is C. So here is the C is here, so C go to the up, these are just from left and these are from the right. C is here, I'm drawing C here. Next, D is the left side and right side, all the nodes are there, that is your E, G, F and H. Then what is the next root? Next is the D. So see here, D is a single node, no changes. Next is E, so E go to the upper side and these are some right. Okay, E go to the upper, I am drawing this tree here. E will be at the upper side and whatever the right after E, G, F, F, H. So here G, F, H. Okay, what are the next equal to F, that means F will be go to the upper, G is the left and H will be right. So here I am doing this, F will be at the upper, then G will be go to the next and H will be go to the here. Okay, then G will be single node and H also a single node. So this is the final tree. Okay, so this is the final result of your tree. So this is your discussion about if two traversal is given either in order, pre-order or in order, post order, you have to construct the binary tree. Okay.